So here's the app called Better In Person Dating App. Let's just try it out, see what this app is about. It's recently getting quite high in the charts. No BS dating, no pen pals, no F boys, no catfish, gone real dates, intentional users. Let's meet up. Gone on real dates, no endless chats. Wipe checkup video on every profile. Turn matches into dates. Date planning made easy. Just show up and enjoy. Watch a video vibe check on every profile to see the real person. Better In Person is a dating app for intentional people who want to meet up. So they have just this feature, which is like video, which is required to create a profile, and you have that, and it's just to better verify if you really want to go on the date with that person. So let's see, join now. And then you just enter your name. So then you can see that this app is yet available in, like, it's in New York and LA, but it has very few users in other areas. Whatever you just have here, then you just enter in all the standard details. Whatever, you're just showing it out. Job title, select degree, earning in progress. So this is just, I'm just showing you out here. And then you just need to add at least 5 photos here. Hold and drag to rearrange. So here, yeah, you can just go and add them. Well, I will just add some kind of placeholder photo just for you to show how it works. Yeah, I just don't want to add some, like, a lot of other photos. So let's just, yeah, here it is. And then you need to have 3 prompts to answer. So then finally you can create your account. So as you can see, that's how it's being created. And then that's just what you have here. That's, yeah, obviously this is just some weird photos. But yeah, you can see the idea how it looks like. Then you have just quick facts about it, and then all the text is editable, and then you just see done editable. Prove you're not a robot. Record a 5-second verification video. Don't worry, you can change it later. You need to choose one prompt, like, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you just need to upload it. Then you can just kind of agree to these rules, and then finally you just finish in registration. So yeah, that's the idea.